Economics Lesson 1 GDP and its growth. Question number 1. Define national income. National income is a measure of the total value of goods and services produced by an economy over a period of time, normally a year. Commonly, national income is called as gross national product or national dividend. Question number 2. What is meant by gross domestic product? Gross domestic product represents a sum of a country's production which consists of all purchases of goods and services used by individuals, firms, foreigners, and the governing bodies. The monetary value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's border in a specific time period. Question number 3. What is per capita income? Per capita income or output per person is an indicator to show the living standard of people in a country. It is obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income is equal to national income divided by population. Question number 4. Write the sector-wise Indian GDP composition in 2017. Indian GDP composition in 2017 to 18. Agriculture and allied activity 17.01%. Industry 29.01%. Services 53.09%. Question number 5. What are the factors supporting to develop the Indian economy? Improvement in technology, labor reforms, rising living standards, broader institutional changes in an economy. Question number 6. Write the name of economic policies in India. Agriculture policy, industrial policy, new economic policy, trade policy, employment policy, currency and banking policy, fiscal and monetary policy, wage policy, population policy. Thank you. Stay connected for remaining lessons. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.